human mind. Weather was showers, and the visibility wasn't all good. Conditions of the Needles, mainly southeasterly, 94.7 gusting 8 over.
So, thank you very much indeed. Out.
Beating to windward in these conditions is a wet, tiring job, but the stress on the crew and boat is reduced if you can alter course downwind. Hatches are battened down, everything loose stowed carefully, and all unnecessary seacocks closed. Wandering Rival under a reduced sail is driven before 40 knots of wind. Steering an accurate course becomes increasingly difficult as the boat heels in the swell. With a trained skipper, a keen crew and a seaworthy boat, the experience is almost enjoyable. But the best thing to do in rough weather is to avoid it. Many people consider that anything over force 6 is, in yachting terms, a gale. At the end of the day, it's the responsibility of the skipper and crew to make sure they don't draw on the resources of the rescue services. Even as our crew was learning how to deal with a gale in the relative sanctuary of the Solent, news came through of another boat which wasn't so fortunate. This bilge-keel yacht on passage from Poole suffered a broken engine and, being unable to make any way to windward, was blown inevitably on a lee shore. Fortunately, all the crew were saved.